It all started in the great COVID pandemic of 2019. I got dumped, but that's a whole other story for a whole other video. Long story short, I was dumped, I was depressed, and I tried my best to get back into what I love doing, which is art. And through art and being in fandoms and following voice actors, I found a tweet by the amazing Chris Rager. He was hosting a workshop titled The Sessions, Voice Acting in Anime and Video Games, featuring Josh Martin, Chris Waycamp, Tyler Walker, and Patrick Murphy. Shh, little baby. I spent $600 for this, but it was so worth getting over my grief as a distraction, quenched my curiosity, and definitely sparked a genuine interest for myself to become a voice actress. You better believe I took notes in my binder like my life depended on it. That money was not going to waste, trust me. I had bought a Focusrite interface and a Rode mic from my brother, so I had pretty decent industry equipment right off the bat, but I didn't know how to use it at that time, so haha. Well, my early VA stuff was rough. Fast forward 5 years of making friends in the voice acting community, networking in the industry, practice dubs and groups, and on my own, taking criticism from my friends who genuinely wanted me to succeed. Genuinely? You know what I mean. Genuinely. Friends that genuinely want to see you succeed. Practice taking live direction, avoiding many creeps on the internet, and lots of auditions, while also meeting the love of my life and having a baby and us juggling around recording him, like me right now. I am currently in 9 projects, not counting the ones I left because of it going nowhere or to avoid creeps that just wanted more from me than just acting. It's a sad world, but VAs get objectified in voice acting, especially if they think you can voice their waifus and husbandos. That's a very uncomfortable no-no. Stop doing that! Now that I briefly explained my journey, I would like to discuss how you, oh yes my dear viewer, you can become a voice actor too. Step 1. Get your equipment. Currently we use a Rode NT1-A XLR condenser microphone and a Audient ID4 MK2 audio interface. Other mics that I've seen other VAs use are like Neumann TLM 103, the Shure SM7B, and Audio-Technica AT2020. And other interfaces that are used are either the Focusrite Scarlett 212 that I did start with, or a Solo. You can find them new and used online. Just make sure you don't get scammed. Step 2. Recording software. Audacity, Reaper, Adobe Audition, and Pro Tools is what I've seen around. I personally use Reaper, technically free and runs on donations. Audacity is completely free though. Step 3. Closet booth, pop filters, blankets, soundproof your recording space the best you possibly can. There are so many tutorials online. You can also purchase booths too. But you will probably have to build them. Have fun with that. Step 4. Take workshops. There are so many voice acting workshops online, from free to not free, from voice actors in the industry and others who know their stuff online. I recommend Red Side Studios by the amazing Junyun. He's a great actor. You have seen him in the film Stupor, or heard him in Sakamoto Days, Solo Leveling, and Genshin Impact. I haven't taken his workshops yet, but I'm dying to, and they look great. I've seen great things about it, nothing but great things, so go check it out. But there are a lot of free tips online, and you can easily find an abundance of resources and voice actors who offer one-on-one coaching sessions and workshops, or even Discord servers where they just offer help, you know? Step 5. Do practice dubs as exercises while applying everything you've learned. As voice actors, we are always learning techniques. Do group collabs, collab with another VA, etc. You got this. Practice makes perfect after all. Step 6. Once you feel comfortable with your voice, your range, and your skills, audition time. Where can you find auditions? Casting Call Club, X, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Those are fantastic spaces to find auditions. Just have fun. I cannot stress this enough. Have fun with your craft. Enjoy it. Bringing characters to life is a beautiful thing, okay? Not to mention, pretending to be somebody else is really therapeutic. Somebody that you're usually not. It's just interesting, you know? It's fun. It's fun. Trust me. It's so much fun. And that is my journey, and these are the tips I have for you to start your VA journey, my dear viewer. Peace out, Girl Scouts!
Bye.